Gikundi giki kia arutwo amwe aria makoretwo magithomera kothi cia moko rungu rwa TVET University-ini ya Meru kiyumiritie gũtetia kiria marauga ni gũcerithĩrio kwa maumĩrĩra ma igeranio kuuma mwaka-ini wa 2020.
Hapo tumekaa hapa miaka karibu 2, almost ini mwaka ya 3 sasa. Tunaingia mwaka ya 3 na bado hatuna any results. The only resource that the school has produced is the provisional response slip yenye tulipewa juzi, and yet it doesn't haiwezi feel ile mambo yenye tumeifanya yote. Unapata your result slip, it does not contain all the results for the whole units that you have been doing since 2020.
Tunakuwa wasted tukingoja sijui SIDAC, sijui NEC, mara wede SIDAC naye sijui, because the other time walituambia ati tumepelekwa NEC na kuna issue with your documents, watakuja kuchukua hizo exam papers kwa shule, then they go start again.
Marauga thengia wa gukorwo marikitie guthoma, gukorwo matari na maumĩrĩra maya ni kurahinga mihango yao ya gwetha wĩra, na iguru ria uguo magakorwo na ihinda iritũ kwĩguithia aciari ao ni makoretwo magithoma.
Bila hizo papers inafaa kuwa na transcript actually to show something ulikuwa shule, but the result slip yenye tuko nazo haiwezi convince ule employer ku employ, because most of the things hapo unapata umefailisha and yet you search for everything.
Hiyo time yenye tuliingia ujapata results, mzazi tu analipa fee, na usipolipa fee hakuna exam utakalia. So mzazi hata ukimwambia anauliza sasa unanitisha pesa za
ni mateta Vice Chancellor wa University no Professor Romana Sothiambo etikanĩirie namo no akauga ti mahitia mao kuona wĩra wao wa gũthomithia arutwo aya ni marĩkĩtie, no mihango ya kũmageria ni wĩra wa rũhonge ngũrani.
And the role of the university is basically to train, as I've said, to do formative assessment and prepare a portfolio of evidence, what we call POE, within the guidelines of TVET SEDAC, which was done by the university.
Athiete na mbere kuga ati kweherio kwa ruhonge rwa SIDAC mwaka-ini wa 2022 na mihango ya kugeria ya gutwarwo ruhonge-ini rwa NEC ni gucangaire hari thina uyu.
By the time TVET SEDAC was abolished, the body had not released any examination results. Luckily, TVET SEDAC has now been reinstated in the new government.
Gũcerithĩrio gũkũ kwa maumĩrĩra kũhutĩtie arutwo a TVET kũndũ gũtiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ, na nĩ thĩna marauga werekeire gũkinya mũthia, kuona thirikari nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie gũcokia SIDAC na magacokerio wĩra wao.
Meru University of Science and Technology has been in constant communication with the two assessment bodies, that is the SEDAC and NEC, engaging with them multiple times to reduce the issues and ensure the timely release of the results.
Akiuga ni maramenya kiagago kiria arutwo aya maragerera. Professor Uthiambo eranĩirie ati ta university matikuhuruka kurumanĩrĩra na uhoro uyu o nginya matige arutwo aya ni mateithĩka. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ritwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.